Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 25th of May 2021, Tuesday. It is class 11th, subject education. Dear students, as you know, we are discussing the aims of education, understanding the aims of education. Dear students, yesterday we discussed the meaning of aims of education, and the individual aim of education was discussed in detail yesterday. And today, before we take the social aim of education, vocational aim of education, and other aims of education in detail, let's first try to understand what is the importance of aims of education. What is the necessity of aims of education? What is the significance of aims of education? Dear students, today our topic is the importance of aims of education, so that we can easily understand the types of aims of education. So it is necessary for us to have understanding of the aims of education first. Dear students, Encyclopedia of Modern Education says that education is a purposeful and ethical activity. Hence, it is unthinkable without aims. Education हसा छ अख बामकसद एक्टिविटी आसा. बगैर मकसद हेको न अस तालीम हुंद सोचतै. बगैर मकसद हेको न अस तालीम व तरबियतुक सिलसिल छु यह हेक न कामयाबी सान ब्रोंठ पकित की. युताय न अस मकसद आस प्रथ कुन युस ते अस कह काम करान छु तथ पत किन अख मकसद आसा, अख टारगेट आसा, अख गोल आसा. तो सु गोल सु टारगेट अचीव करने खतर छु अस मंज क्रियोसिटी आसान, तड़प आसान सु काम अंदस वातनानस तो तमिक जान नतीज हासिल करनस. Dear students, we cannot proceed in any walk of life without aim. Or if any activity is undertaken without any aim or goal in view, it will lack that real force which directs it and makes it meaningful. अगर इस काम बगैर कुन मकसद शुरू करो या करें हमो तथ मज सह हेको न सह काम बड़ जान अंदाज मज अंद वातनयित की. अस मिलन न तमिक फ्रूटफुल रिजल्ट्स की. अस रोज न सो तड़प सो इंटरेस्ट तथ काम मज की अगर तथ कह मकसद आस न की. मतलब अख मजूर छु काम दो करा सो छु ए गर्ज एम गर्ज काम नेरान गए सो दवा बान ची रपिस 500 गर. अगर तमिस यह सो नेर गए तमिस आस न तवक्का है कि यह एम आस न थी, यह मकसद तस दिलस मज काम करनु तस मिल न सो कह या तस आस यह जहन से मज कि बह कम खुद छुस काम करा. तो मे यह जरूरी कथ है कि तस तथ काम तस आस न तुथ रिजल्ट नेर तथ कह तस यी न कह फायदे कि सो काम करनु. लिहाजा बगैर मकसद कह त एक्टिविटी उस करो तथ छुन कह यह सा यह कह फायदे आस. The aim helps us to take stock of the results of our efforts. यम ती अस कोशिश करान छु येले अस मकसद आसि अस छु पन्न कोशिशन हुंद नतीज या सा यह अखज करने खतर मुहसबा करान. क्या अस युस काम करान छु तम खतर युस अस टारगेट रिजल्ट छु क्या सु छ अस पूर सपदन किन कहीं. अख जमींदार छु फसल बवान यह पत वहर ये फसल सटान छु हार्वेस्ट करान छु पत हिसाब लगावान युस यम मेहनत कर, युस यम पोंस अत मज खर्च कोर, युस यम मेहनत अत पे सरफ युस यम वक्त अत पे सरफ कोर क्या अमिस म्योला त यमुक यम तवक्का कोरमुत ओस. यह अत मुहसबा करान. Since education is also a purposeful activity, it must also have an aim. लिहाजा इस तालीम यह बा मकसद काम अत बोड़ मकसद आसान अक बड़ मकसद खतर इंसान तालीम परान. लिहाजा गई जरूरी अत तमुक एम यह गई फुलफिल गस. It must also have an aim so that it gets a proper direction. To have an aim means to act with meaning and intelligence. It keeps both the teacher and the taught on the right track. All our methods of teaching, our curriculum, and our system of evaluation are shaped and molded according to the aim we set. This means that a system of education which is not clear about its aim is bound to fail. So, system education yat न कह मकसद मुदा आसि यत न कह टारगेट आसि सु छु कामयाब सु सिस्टम के सु कोलैप्स गस. Dear students, there is a great necessity of aims of education. The aims of education are like aims provide a line of action to the teachers. Aims provide a line of action to the teachers. Ustad shu ak line ak aim I set ustad chu ekis aims tahat ekis maqsad ekis goals ekis target hasil karnas khatar pani teaching yasa ye paknawa parnawa suchu ak aim zehnas ma set kara to temi ayu pat su panin bachan talim dima. Aims are necessary to assess the outcomes of the educative process. Yus es talim hund process amal pagnawan chu aimo sait chi es aim chu zaruri ki es chi assess karan ki outcome result kya aav es. Yelis exam hewan chu ऐसा ये वहरी मकलित तालीम मकलत वहरी एकेडमिक ईयर खत्म गजित सो एग्जाम क्या सह यी वुचन कि युस मकसद ओस निम खतर बच्चे पर्न वरियस क्या सो मकसद सोन छा पूर गोमुत किन. Aims are necessary as they allow us to act intelligently and with meaning. Aims are necessary as they give direction to the work of the student. Aims are necessary for efficient school administration and organization. Aims are necessary to help the parents and the general public to appreciate the work of the school. Dear students, the aims of education, the importance of aims of education also direct our efforts to the end. Educational aims keep the teacher and the taught on the right track, as I have already told you. Dear students, they give direction and zest to the work of the students. The wastage of time is avoided when we have an aim in our mind. Dear students, today we have discussed the aims of education, the importance of aims of education. And tomorrow, inshallah, we will take up the social aim of education. We will discuss it in detail. What is the social aim of education? And the individual aim of education we have already discussed yesterday. I hope you will have understood the importance of aims of education today, and tomorrow inshallah we will take up social aim of education and we'll discuss it in detail. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.